Hello, in this session we're going to talk about legend positioning. In case we have a lot of graphs in the drawing, there should be a way to identify different graphs. This can be done using a legend method. First, we create an array using a range function. Using created_array as a parameter, graphs of log, sine, and cosine function are created. The graphs will have different colors and line styles. So let's minimize this a bit. Go to Spider and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then from numpy import star. First we'll create a figure, fig equal plt.figure. Then inside this figure we'll create a subplot, which will be one subplot and which will have one row and one column. So ax equal fig.add subplot 1, 1, and 1. So only one figure will be created. Then x21 will be a range from 1 up until 10. So the first member will be 1. The last member will not reach 10 but will be up until 10. And the consecutive elements will have the difference of 0.3. And then let's have three graphs. ax.plot log of x21. The color will be k, which means it will be the black color, and label will be equal to log. Then we'll have another graph, ax.plot sine of x21. The color will be blue, the line style will be dash line, and a label will be equal to sine. And the last graph will be ax.plot cosine of x21. Then the color of the graph will be red, the marker will be dot, and the label will be cosine. Let's execute this up until now. Let's go to tab plots, and we can see that we have three graphs. The first graph is log with black color. The second graph is sine graph, so this is blue with dash lines. And the last graph is cosine, which is with a red color and with dots. So this is not very convenient. There is not a lot of information in this graph. However, if we would like to activate the legend, then it will be different. So ax.legend log equal best. Execute this. Now we'll have a legend which will say the log will be of black color, the sine will be blue color with dash line, and the cosine will be red color with dots. The same figure will be displayed in this part of the slide. So we are doing it right. Okay. Here the location of the legend could be elsewhere, could be in the middle, could be in this part of the screen, could be in this part of the screen, which means in the upper part of the screen, could be in the lower part of the screen, on the left, on the right. So there will be different places where the legend could be placed. However, if you put log equal best, matplotlib have an algorithm which will see in which place it is more space, and whenever there is more spaces, the legend would be displayed in that part of the screen. That's it regarding legend positioning. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.